Yeah. Factorize the following expressions. Yes. Work all the 10 and then we'll see the answers. Yes, work all the 10. Only when you start working, you will realize if you can really do it in a different method. Okay. No, don't get confused with that question. That's his question. You just do what you feel you have to do. 7x minus 42. How many terms? 7x minus 42. How many terms in that expression? Two terms. Okay. So what is the HCF of these two terms? 7 and 42. What's a HCF? 7 and 42. What's a HCF? 7 is the HCF. 7. X is not there in 42. So X will not happen. So the HCF of 7x and 42 is 7. So take out 7. Then in the bracket, X minus what? Yeah. X minus 6. Yeah, no more help. Okay, we maybe do it together like, okay, so first expression, 7x and 42, 7 is the HCF, so you take out 7 in the bracket. You must write what? X minus? X minus 6. X minus 6. Okay, that's about the first one. Next one. Yeah, okay. Six P minus 12Q. PQ, nothing's common. 6 and 12. 6. And in the so take out 6 and in bracket, 6 into what will give you 6P? P minus 6 into what will give you 12Q? Q. Yeah, continue. You've recalled. Continue. One minute per question. So you've already finished the first two, so 8 more minutes. 1 minute for every question. Good fast. You should have finished at least 6. At least. There's no question that can be handled in that way. Because splitting the middle term is like x square x constant or y square y constant. That's one of the ways of identifying. See, you'll be seeing mixed expressions later, but now as beginners, you will be seeing a square a constant. Only such expressions can be factorized by splitting the middle term. You've completed? Okay. Akshita, which one are you working?
Mom, I have completed, Mom.
You completed. Okay. Sahasra?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about Hasini?
Completed, Ma'am.
Okay. Harini, since you didn't attend our session, I'm not asking you. Okay. It's time to see the answers. Which one are you doing? Lovely. Okay. Wait for a minute. Aditya? 9, huh? 8, okay. All right, it's time. Which one, Shrikant? Okay. All right, time to see the answers. Seven is a HCF. I'll ask you, I'll just do the first and second, and then from 3, I'll ask you. 7 is a HCF, so 7 into x, 7x minus 7, 6 are 42. This is answer for the first one. 6p minus 12q. HCF of the two terms is 6. 6 into p is 6p, minus 6 2s are 12, and q. 6 into 2q is 12q. Aditya, third one. How many terms does the expression have? 2 terms. What's a HCF of 7 and 14? 7. Aditya. 7. HCF of a square and a? A plus. HCF of a square and a? A. A. Least power. Now in the bracket? A plus 2. 7 is the HCF and a plus 2. 7a into a, 7a square plus 7a into 2 is 14a. Very good. Shrikant? Minus 16z plus 20z cubed. So take the minus. The first term has a minus sign, so take the minus sign. What's a HCF of 16 and 20? No. HCF. 2, yeah, 2 is a common factor. That's not the highest common factor. What's a HCF, Navneet? 2z. Sorry. Yeah, you have written 2. Minus 2. Minus you? No, but what have you written? Okay, you took help from your friend. Okay. Let's see it. 4. Very good. Yeah, -4. Aditya, you said? -4z. Correct. -4z. The HCF of 16 and 20 is 4. And the HCF of z and z square. Least power, z power 1. So z is the, see, for 16 and 20, the HCF is 4. And for z and z square, the least power, z. So 4z is the HCF. -4z into 4 is -16z. Now minus into minus is plus. 4 5s are 20. Z, that's it. Oh, that's z cubed. Oh, sorry. I wrote it as z square. Sorry. Okay, z cubed, then it will be a z square here. Okay. Yeah, Sahasra, HCF of 20 and 30?
10.
10. L square and L?
11. 11.
L. M
10,
and M?
11.
M.
M. 10, 11.
Okay, and then in bracket?
2LM plus 3A.
2L. 2L? No M. Plus
Oh, okay. Plus 3A.
3A.
A.
Okay. Akshita?
Mom,
Yeah. HCF of the two terms?
5. Mom,
HCF?
5. Mom, 5xy.
Okay.
Into 5xy
Why
minus
again 5xy?
5x minus 15 xy.
No. 5xy into what will give you? 5xy into what will give you 5x square y?
Mom, 5x, mom.
5xy is common. Into what will give you the first term 5x square y? 5 into 1 is 5. So why do you write 5? If you write 5 again, it will become 5 as a 25. 5 you already have. X, but here it is x square. So you should write x here. Y. So only x will come inside the bracket.
X minus 3.
5xy into what will give you? Minus 15xy squared.
Mom, 3y, mom.
Minus 3
Mom, y, mom.
y. Minus 3y. (15xy square) minus 15xy square. Got it? Asmi,
Ma'am,
how many terms?
3 terms, ma'am.
HCF of the 3 terms?
5.
Just 5. Okay, then first term in the bracket?
2a squared
2a square.
minus 3b squared plus 4c squared.
Correct. Avnish, next one. HCF, how many terms? Now the first term has a minus sign, so take a minus. HCF of the three terms? 4A. Yeah, then A plus, B, C. Because minus 4A into A is minus 4A square. Minus 4A into minus B. Minus into minus only will give you plus 4. Minus into minus plus 4AB. Then minus 4A into plus C is minus 4AC. When you multiply the two terms, you must get the terms here. Got it? Signs are important. If you're going wrong with the signs, it's a major mistake. Don't take it light. It's not that, no, just for plus I put minus, that's all. Otherwise, I'm correct. No, you're wrong. Yeah, then when x square plus, yeah, how many terms? Okay, HCF? X, Y, Z. Okay, then?
X plus Y plus Z.
Correct. Shrikant again?
And the last one.
Harini, I'm not asking you because you didn't take up last class, Harini.
And XY.
XY, okay.
A, XY.
A, X,
Y.
Y.
No.
No.
B y square.
B,
Y.
Mm.
Y plus C Z. C Z.
Correct. Three mistakes. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Very good. See that? Correct. See, it takes, courage to say that you've made three mistakes. Very good. I didn't ask, but he was ready to say that, he's made three mistakes. Very good. Five mistakes. Same mistakes. Okay. With the signs or with, okay. You, 5. 5 correct. 6 correct. So same, no 5 correct. Because there are 10. Yeah. You, 2 mistakes. Okay. So 8. Okay. Good. Okay. 6. Good. Yeah. Hasini, out of 10, how many correct?
8 correct, ma.
8 on 10. Okay. Akshita? Sahasra?
5, ma'am.
5 correct. Okay. Where do you need help? Like anything that you don't understand where I need to explain still better?
Ma'am, there's nothing, but I just get confused with the signs.
Okay. Is it okay now? Like you think it's still not clear or you?
Ma'am, it's clear now.
Okay. Hasimi, you said 8 on 10. Sahasra 5. Akshita?
Mom, 6, mom.
6. Okay. Yeah. I'll just help you recollect the first one. I'll just help you recollect the method of grouping by working the first one. Okay. Yeah, the rest you'll be trying by yourself. See the first one. How many terms in the expression? 4 terms. So we want to try to factorize this by grouping. That is grouping the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. Again, by taking out the HCF. So the first one, x squared plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Okay. We'll group the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. All right. I'll do the second one, no, because that involves plus and minus. I'll do the second one. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2 equals first two, last two. Same thing. What is the HCF of the first two terms? HCF of the first two terms. 3x. Now 3x into what will give you 15xy? 5y. Yeah. Now this is plus 3x. 3x into what will give you minus 6x? This 3x into something should give you the second term minus 6x. So it will be minus 2. Close the bracket. Close the bracket. Now, now we have to take up the next two terms. Whatever is the sign here, put the same sign here. That is, see, now we have taken the first, we have completed with the first two terms. After the second term, what is the sign plus? Put that sign here. Now, what is the HCF of 5? What is the HCF of the third term and the fourth term? If nothing is common, what's common? 1. 1 is the HCF. 1. Open bracket. 1 into what will give you the third term 5y? 5y. Then 1 into what will give you the fourth term minus 2? This is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 2. So now our grouping procedure is correct because we have the same expression in the brackets here. 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2. So write that once, 5y minus 2 once. And what are the other terms? 3x and plus 1. Yes. In another bracket. Put them in another bracket. Okay? Yeah. Do the others. You work the first one and then you can write the second one. Don't write the second one. Okay, if you've started, fine. Otherwise, work the second one and then take this.
15, both question 15, 15, I'm taking 3.
15.
You can take this. Second, 3 into 5.
See, like if you
PQ plus
see when you group it in the same order and you're not getting the same expressions in the two brackets, then you have to rearrange. Try to write the third term in the second position and the second term in the third position. Rearrange the terms and try grouping. Click on the first one.
For the first grouping, X is the highest grouping. X plus 1 plus 8 X plus 1 is equal to X plus 5 in bracket plus X plus 8 in bracket. How can I fit X bracket A plus B? Minus Y A minus B
A.
minus B.
That's what. So
A plus B, mom.
yeah. No, see, it's very simple. Minus y into what will give you minus ay? Minus y into a is minus ay. Now minus y into what will give you minus by? You're like, because you know something else, you want to apply that here. So you're forcing yourself to think, that method should be applied here. So yeah, tell me now. Minus y into what will give you minus by?
Plus B.
B. B means what? Plus B. Plus B. See here, what is minus y into a? Minus ay. Then minus y into plus b. Minus into plus minus, b into y, by. Okay, continue. Finished?
Artist is the work and 15 people and 9 people. Bad. 15 20. The common is 3 through.
So which one? You're talking about the fourth one.
Fourth. 5 into common, 3 plus 5 people.
You rearranged or same order?
3 into 1 and 3. First is
1 and 3? Yeah, correct.
but we got the 5 plus 3 and 3 plus 5.
Correct, no, the same.
I mean, subtraction.
Only when subtraction you should change the signs outside.
Next is now we got 1 into x minus 7 plus xy into 7 minus 2.
There you should change the sign. There you should change the sign.
Plus as minus and change.
Okay, finished? Finished?
Plus 9q.
We'll see. We'll see, wait. 15 PQ plus 15 plus, I want all of you to listen. This is the expression. This is the expression. Now,
Ma'am, can you tell the answer?
just a second. Yes, I'll ask you, Hasni, but just a minute. Now we'll first go ahead in the same order. See, actually, later you will realize that you cannot, because later meaning with practice, you will realize that you have to rearrange, because when you take out 15 common here, you will get some PQ plus 1. But here, 3, what is common between these two? 9, 25. So you'll get 9 and 25 in the bracket, right? So you're not going to get the same expression in the two brackets. So before you start, you can just look at the expression and realize that you have to rearrange. Otherwise, if you thought you can go ahead as it is, you can just see a 15 is common, PQ plus 1, then nothing, 1 into 9Q plus 25, 9Q plus, is it Q? Sorry, 9P, this is P, sorry. This is 25P. I'll take that one. Okay. So you see, when you group it in the same order, we don't get the same expression in these two brackets. So you have to rearrange. You have to rearrange. Now see here. Now if you, now, okay, now tell me, what did you do? Okay, so what you did, you exchange the second and the third terms. 15 PQ plus 9Q plus 15 plus 25P. Okay. So you try to exchange the second and the third terms. Third term in the second position, second term in third position. Okay. Now we'll try to group. What's the HCF? 3? 3Q. 3Q into what is 15 PQ? The sign plus as it is.
5.
Now, these two expressions, they're the same.
3 plus
5p plus 3, 3 plus 5p.
3 plus 5p.
5p plus 3, both are the same. So if you want in the next step, you can just write it like this. See here. In the next step, 3q into 5p plus 3 plus 5 into, you can write this also as 5p plus 3. A plus B, B plus A, both are the same. You shouldn't change the signs. Don't change the signs because 3 plus 5p is the same as 5p plus 3. Now, 5p plus 3 in one bracket and 3q plus 5 in the other bracket. Okay?
Next.
Is this fine? Now we just try to rearrange this in a different way. We'll see if that works.
Oh, no. Right.
We'll just see. Okay, now we'll try to do it like this. You have to take down the answer, anybody? Complete it, Shrikant.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to complete this. Do it then. All right. Okay, now here we exchange the second and the third terms, right? Okay, we'll do this. We'll exchange the second and the fourth and see if it works. Okay, we'll put the fourth term here. Plus 25 p
Plus
plus 15 plus 9q.
plus
See, here you have 15 and 25, right? So it's 5 threes are 5 fives are. Here 3 threes are 3 fives are. So mostly it should work. See, 15 and 25. 5 threes are 5 fives are. This is 3 threes are 3 fives are. If you want, you can put 9q here and then 15 also. Okay. So what's the HCF of the first two terms? 5p. 3 plus sign HCF
3 5 P plus 3Q plus 3Q.
So it's the same. Don't change the signs. 3q plus 5 plus 3 into 3q plus 5. Yeah. So 3q plus 5. Take down this also. And then 5p plus 3. Good. Right. R and take down this, all of you. Oh, you worked it like this only, is it? Okay, then you should have taken the earlier one. No problem. I've shared the image on WhatsApp. Leave some space and complete it at home. Completed? Okay. Next one.
Can I say?
Yeah, it's here. Keep that inside. Oh, whose is that?
Now, first, see.
Yeah, put that inside your bag. Is that a stationary item? Now, do you need it for the class? Put it inside. Yeah.
First, z minus 7. 1 is the x.
No, this is first.
Z minus 7. Plus xy. xy is bracket 7 minus z.
So here in the brackets, we have z minus 7 and 7 minus z. They are not the same.
We are not equal.
Z minus 7 and 7 minus z, they are not the same. So what should you do? Change the signs. From here, change the signs. Minus xy plus 7, write as minus 7. Minus z as plus z. Change the signs. Here, lights again. Plus xy as minus xy. This plus 7 as minus 7. Minus z as plus z. Now multiply, you will get this minus xy into z.
Minus z.
Sorry. Minus xyz here. Then minus xy into minus 7. Minus into minus plus 7 into xy, 7xy. Yeah. Correct. Yeah. Now give yourself marks. 3 questions, I think. 2 I worked. One only I worked, yeah. So out of 4, how many marks? Very good. 4 on 4, 4 on 4, 4 on 4. Shrikant and Navneet? 3 on 4, okay. Shrikant?
3.
3, okay. Hasini?
Ma'am.
Out of 4, how many correct?
4, ma'am. Fully correct.
All correct. Okay, good. Akshita and Sahastra?
Ma'am, 3 out of 4.
Okay,
And 3 out of 4.
okay. All right. So this was about grouping. Yeah. I'm just presenting the first one so that you can recall. Yeah. Work this one with help. The next one, you will be doing it by yourself. So this is factorizing using the identity. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Work this. Yeah, this also you can work and recall. See, darling, if you want to work without help, you don't see the slide. You don't see the board. Just take the question from the board and do it by yourself.
This is
Completed? Yeah. Okay. This actually, okay, we didn't discuss the method of factorizing an expression of this form. So this expression has only two terms. Okay. Two terms, and both the terms are perfect squares. 49 is 7 into 7.
A square minus B square.
49 is 7 into 7. P squared is P into P. And 36 is 6 into 6. Two terms, and both the terms are perfect squares. And the sign in the middle is minus. So the given expression is of the form A squared minus B squared. In A squared, A squared minus B squared. See, A squared, perfect square. B squared, perfect square. And minus sign. Okay, so 49p square minus 36 can be written in the form A the whole squared minus B the whole squared. Okay, so if you fill in the blanks,
7p minus 6.
correct? So what's the identity?
A minus A square minus B square is equal to A plus B, A of B to A minus B. Where A is equal to 7p, B is equal to minus
Why would
6.
Okay, so 49p square minus 36 is equal to, that's the question. So what's the answer? A plus B into A minus B. 7p plus 6 into 7p minus 6. The answer is A plus B into A minus B. So A is 7p, B is 6. 7p plus 6 into 7p minus 6. Right on. See, this is just for us to understand. You write it now. This you don't have to present it in the exam. Like, see, this is just for us to understand. Now you write down.
Same thing but different identity.
Which one?
It's a type of
Finished? Online children completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this also. So we have to do this together. 4 terms, but not grouping. So you can realize even if you take out the common factor, you're not going to get the same expressions in both the brackets. See that? No, splitting is only when you have 3 terms. Okay, so this is different. No, this is different. Okay, so see, grouping will not work. You try to group. Now, you try to group, you will not get the same expressions in the 2 brackets. Okay, so here a squared minus 2ab plus b squared minus c squared. Now, a squared minus
A square minus B square minus
no. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared can be written as
A plus B whole square.
a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b the whole square. What is a square minus 2ab plus b square? A minus b the whole square, identity. And then this minus c square. Now, see, it's the difference of 2 squares. This is like x the whole square minus y the whole square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. Why am I saying x square minus y square? Because we already have a and b here. So I'm just using different letters to say the same identity. Same identity, a squared minus b squared, but I'm using x squared minus y squared because we already have a and b here. Now this is of the form x squared minus y squared, where x is a minus b and y is c. So see here, this is a minus b the whole squared minus c the whole squared. So the identity which you can use to factorize this is x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y into x minus y, where x is, see here, this is x square, cover the square, meaning don't read the square. So the remaining thing is x. See, this one you're comparing it what, sorry, you're comparing this with what, x square, right? A minus b the whole square, you're comparing that with x square. What is x? A minus b. And you're comparing c square with y square. C is y. Y is c. Okay. So the identity you'll have to use to factorize further is x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y into x minus y, where x is a minus b and y is c. So the answer is x plus y. This is x plus y. See, x, this is x plus y into x minus y. All right? Yeah. Yeah, take them. Yes. Finished? Okay. Completed? Yeah.
Completed now.
Yeah. This also, we need to do this together. M to the power 4 minus 256 equals, now only two terms. Okay, there are only two terms separated by minus sign. And the first term is a perfect square. The second term is also a perfect square. Okay, so you can write the first term as a perfect square. The second term also is a perfect square. So m to the power 4 can be written as m squared the whole square minus 16 squared. So the identity is a squared minus b squared is a plus b into a minus b. What is a here? A is m squared. A plus b
Plus 16.
into a minus. Okay, see if you're getting confused, 1 second. What is a here?
M square.
You should write the identity. Identity a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b, where a is m squared and b is 16. I told you, don't see the square. This is a, this is b. Okay. So it will be a plus b, m squared plus 16 into a minus b, m squared minus 16. Is this understood? Now continue to factorize. M squared plus 16 cannot be factorized further because it is m squared plus 16, a squared plus b squared. But m squared minus 16 can be written as m the whole squared minus 4 the whole square. Right? See, this also can be written as m the whole square plus 4 the whole square. But that is a squared plus b squared. You cannot factorize that further. But this one will be a squared minus b squared. Okay, so m squared plus 16 as it is. Now here a is m and b is 4. So a plus b, m plus 4 into a minus b, m minus 4. All right? Yeah. Write down. Yeah. Finished? Online children completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, now from here you can do it by yourself because all these are based on splitting the middle term. Yeah. Yeah. Sum is 5, product is 6. Okay, one you can just work with help, recall and Completed?
So now,
What's happening? How can you say nothing but when I saw something now?
all the RC with the list.
Quite. Completed? Yeah. Yes.
What's the answer for the? But that's.
Yeah, that's all. I'm not writing anything else. Okay.
Also, you can't make. Something I said the answer. Who refused to say?
Completed?
Answer. Answer.
Yeah.
Y minus 4 into y plus 3.
Y minus?
4 into y plus 3.
Correct.
Same answer.
Y minus. No.
Y minus 4 into y minus 3.
Correct. Okay. Y minus 3 into y minus 4. Correct. Okay. So 12 in the rough column, 12 is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. You'll have to use the factors of 12 and get two numbers. So 4 and 3 are the two numbers. The product is 12. Factorize 12. 2 into 2 into 3. So we have 3 numbers, but use the 3 numbers to make 2 numbers whose sum is -7 and product is 12. So 2 2s are 4. 4 and 3. 4 and 3 will give us 7. But we want -7 and +12. -4, -3. -7 is the sum and the product is +12. So split the middle term. This is the expression given. Y square minus 7y plus 12 is equal to, split the middle term, y square minus 4y minus 3y, or minus 3y minus 4y plus 12. Write the first term and the last term. Instead of the middle term, split it as minus 4y minus 3y. Now grouping, that's all. Only splitting is new. Then the rest is exactly like grouping. Not exactly like grouping, it is grouping. So y into y is y squared minus y into 4 is minus 4y. This minus sign as it is, 3y minus into minus is plus. 4s are 12. So y minus 4 into y minus 3. Correct? Y minus 3 into y minus 3.
Y plus 4.
Yeah. Then you would have got y minus 4 here and y plus 4 here. Then what did you take out? Oh, you put +3, huh? If you put +3, then +3 into y is not -3y, no? I've told you, after the first 2 terms, what is the sign minus? That minus sign you should write down here as it is.
We got y plus 4 now. So what we did, we changed the sign of y also.
Okay. Corrected your answer. You have a doubt, is it? Are you asking me like why I cannot do like that? Ah. Okay, next one. Yeah, do this. Okay, time out. Completed? Okay, Akshita, what is the sum? Hasini, what's the sum?
-4
Product?
-12.
Okay. Yeah. How do we continue? Z squared?
Z square -6Z
1 minute, I didn't find the numbers, sorry. 1 minute, 1 minute. So what are the
Ma'am,
required numbers?
-6 + 2.
Required numbers are, okay. So 12 is again 2 into 2 into 3. 6 and 2 is it? 6 and 2 is it?
Ma'am, -6 + 2.
Okay. Correct. Yeah, thank you, Hasini. Yeah, Aditya, continue. Minus?
6 and 2.
No. Minus? Shrikant,
Now, where numbers?
continue.
Six. Z square -6.
Hmm.
-6Z plus 2Z -12.
Okay.
Now do the
1 minute, I just want to check what the others are. The bracket. No. In the bracket, no, four of it bracket. In fact, the bracket has four of it bracket. Plus 6 and -2. How will +6 and -2 give you and represent either brother? Z brother.
Right Z like that. Oh,
Okay, now how, why? +6 and -2 is +4, no, but you get -4. See, it's so simple. I don't know how you can go wrong. See, what are the different ways? You got the numbers, Navneet, you got the numbers of 6 and 2, right? You can take a +6 or a -6. Then when it's 2, +2, -2. So what are the 4 ways in which you can take the numbers? You can take +6, +2, or +6, -2, -6, +2, -6. And now which of this will work? Only one of this will work. Okay, what is the sum here? Tell me.
8.
8. The sum is 8. And what's the product? 6 2s are in. From -12 இங்க வருது. Next one. What's the sum?
4.
What's the product?
-12.
What's the sum?
-4.
What's the product?
-12.
What's the sum?
-8.
What's the product?
+12.
See, எல்லாத்தையும் வேற some product மாறுது. Now you are looking for -6 and +2. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're looking for -4 and -12. Sorry, you're looking for -4 and -12. -4 and -12 இங்க தான் இருக்கு. It's -6 and +2. I'll tell you. In this step, no brackets. Now grouping Z in bracket Z minus, then with sign. Whatever is, see, like the first two terms you finished. After that, what is the sign plus? Put the same sign. Then
two. Z minus 6 plus 3 into 12 plus Z plus 2.
correct. Yeah. Okay, next one. Yeah. Now, this is a very important rule in factorizing an expression. 3m squared plus 9m plus 6. See, when all the terms of the expression have something in common, you have to take out that common factor. If all the terms of the expression have something in common, take it out. That's the first step always. When all the terms of the expression have something in common, take out the common factor. That's the first step. 3. So m squared plus 3m
plus 2.
plus
2.
2. All right, this is the first step. Now, whatever is out as common, that will just come as it is. You will continue to factorize the expression in the bracket. The 3 will just keep coming down as 3, 3, 3, 3 till the end of the answer. Now, you will be factorizing the expression in the bracket m squared plus 3m plus 2. Okay. So, what's the sum? What's the product? Okay. So, the product is 2. 2 is what? 2 is 2 only. So, where's the other number? You should take this 1. You should take this 1. See, when you try to factorize 2, 2 is 2. So, but you want two numbers, no? 2 and 1.
2 and 1. So,
So, the required numbers are 2 and 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Or you can write 1 and 2 also.
m square plus 3m plus 2 is equal.
So write this 3 as it is. Write this 3 as it is, open bracket. Write the first term m square, the last term 2 as it is. Split the middle term. Plus. Yeah, no, m. 3. Now use a square bracket. What's common? M. M plus the sign as it is. M plus 1 into m plus 2 or m plus 2 into m plus 1. Both are fine. So these are the factors of the given expression. Take down. Yeah. Completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here, all these expressions, you can factorize using the identity a plus b the whole squared or a minus b the whole squared. Hint is use a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a plus b the whole squared, or use a square minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b the whole square. Okay, fine. Yeah, so here you can factorize all the expressions using one of these two identities. Yeah, start. See, wherever you can use one of these two identities, you can also split the middle term. But identity approach is preferred, is prioritized. You have to do that. First question, you can split the middle term as well use identity. Second one, you can split the middle term and use identity. Third one, you can split the middle term and use identity. Fourth one, you can split the middle term, use identity. But prioritize using the identity. Yes. Right, it's not good. Yes. Why I think you have into it. இதோட ரெசிப்ட் நான் அதோட திட்டம் நான் இது பண்ணி நான் சொல்லிட்டு போயிருக்கேன். You're sure you're speaking Proper fraction is always less than P. Improper fraction is greater than plus. This is a proper or improper fraction. When its value is less than 1, you do 1. So 1 doesn't looks like. If all you can put in 1, put it into 23 by 20. 1 by 25 by 25. What is 25 by 25? Huh? 25 by 25 is 1. So 1 being mind calculated from 25 by 25. If I compare from 23 by 17. Considering that was 1 and then 1 extra problem. 17 by 17 and 17 by 17. This was 28 by 17. After the same. Find the difference between sum and product of this. First you should find the difference between the sum and product of what? 2 1 by 1, 1 2 by 5. So you just find step 1 is sum of 2 1 by 4 and 1 2 by 5. These are products. Step 2 product of 42 2 1 by 4 and 1 2 by 5. Step 3 in the answer is minus 300. Step 1 then answer minus step 2 find the difference. And you can get the difference between the sum and product. And the sum and the product difference product. Sum and is relative to the sum. In relative multiply the product. In the answer to sum is constant. Understand? Are you the third one, all of you?
Silent. Next one.
6.
Easy one.
Okay, what's the final answer for the third one?
5m plus 3 is 5m plus 3 whole square.
5m plus 3, the whole square. Correct. The final answer for the fourth one?
7 is 6z square.
7y plus
Plus
6z,
6.
the whole square. Correct.
2 and 2x minus 2 whole square.
No. You're right, but 4 is common throughout, right? So what is the rule? When all the terms have something in common, you should take out the common factor. What's the answer for the fifth one? Dhanvin and Avinish?
Answer 1. 2x plus minus 2 whole square.
No.
4x means 4 whole square and 2x.
See, in question number 5, all the three terms have 4 in common. So you must first take out the common factor 4. So in the bracket, you will have x squared minus 2x plus 1. That you should factorize using the sum and product. It's not wrong. Yes, you can proceed. Like even after getting that answer, you can proceed. But then you will get used to that. I want you to first take out the common factor. Yeah, you can proceed with that. You should. That's not the final answer. 2x minus 2 into.
X minus 1. X minus 1.
Yeah, x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, since it's time, we'll just see the answers till the fifth one. The rest of it you can complete as homework. Try to do it. We'll discuss in the next class. So one is already done for you.
First one answer is A. Correct.
Second one,
Second one, P minus 5 volts. Correct, ma'am. 5. P minus 5 volts.
see third one.
Ma'am, correct, ma'am.
Online children got this answer for the third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Yeah, Akshita, what's the answer for this one?
Ma'am, actually, I had a doubt in this, so I didn't do this one, ma'am.
Okay, okay. What about Hasini or Sahasra?
7y plus 6z whole square.
7y plus 6z the whole square. Correct.
Yes.
Ma'am, for me also correct, ma'am.
Very good. Okay.
Everything is right.
Akshita, now with the help of the answer, are you able to understand or you want me to explain?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this one, what's the answer for this one? So this alone I'll work for you. 4x squared minus 8x plus 4. All the three terms have 4 in common. So you'll have to first take out the common factor. All the three terms have 4 in common. So 4 common. 4 into x squared is 4x squared. 4 into minus 2x is minus 8x. 4 into plus 1 is plus 4. Now, you'll have to factorize the expression in the bracket. The expression in the bracket you'll have to factorize. So 4, see, I'm using a square bracket. A squared minus 2 into a into b plus b squared. A squared minus 2 into a into b plus b squared. So x the whole squared, 1 the whole squared. 2 into x into 1. Check the middle term, minus 2x. Yes, minus 2x. Here, x the whole square is x squared. 2 into x into 1. This is minus 2x and plus 1. Four into a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is a minus b the whole square. You can stop there or you can also write it as x minus 1 into x minus 1. All right. Yeah, this is the answer with the fifth one. Awesome. Take down the other questions as homework, children.
And completed all.
Okay. The others, okay, or I'll share the image on WhatsApp. Please complete the remaining questions by the next class. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Online children, you may leave the call. Thank you. Good night. Yeah,
Thank
dear
you,
students,
ma'am.
Thank you. Aditya,
Thank
Tanvi. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you. Thank you, and 60 marks.
Thank you, children. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.
And